Okay, here's my shop with all the empty space in it. I'm waiting for the machine to show up. This thing is pretty big. The trucks are here, 2 trucks. And we're all set here. They are unpacking it. Here it is. Fresh from the factory. So, finally got it. Finally got the machines. Haas CNC tool room mill, 7.5 horsepower. There's a 10 position changer, 40 by 20 travels. So this is the biggest machine that'll fit in here. And they just stopped making them. They stopped making the TM3P, but you know, they told me like I would have better availability. They'd be able to give it to me in December, back in October when I ordered it, but the TM2s and TM1s would be out in June. Well, I finally got it in January. Got shipped out actually early in January. And here we are at the end of January, just got installed today with Nelson Trucking, doing the rigging for me. 7,000 pound machine. They did it on a small forklift, brought it in through the door here, straight in, and then put it on the feet and kind of, we just used some pry bars and adjusted it and pretty much got it in place. So I'm pretty stoked about this machine being able to kind of move us up to the next realm of machining versus the manual mill and the manual lathe. It's as big as anything that I think I can use in here. So yeah, I'm just really excited. Got to get power on it and some air and get her going. So just to show you the other stuff in the shop, I have this 14 by 40 Chinese Birmingham lathe. It's pretty nice, making a adapter for a focuser right now here, and then the manual Birmingham knockoff of a Bridgeport generic machine with a rotary table. So this thing saved my bacon actually over the summer. There's a lot of stuff that I wasn't able to do until I had this thing, that I was able to fix a lot of parts that came in defective, that had little bits of errors. So that, and between that and the lathe, all the job shop stuff I had that come in that needs rework, I was able to rework it or make some small parts, even some big parts. I made that giant 3 RASA adapter plate, mounting plate on this thing. And so that thing has been a great deal because, you know, they're pretty cheap. I'm running it on a VFD. It's 3-phase power and running it on that kind of cheesy VFD. Don't hook your VFD up that way. Put it up here where you have access to it. But there's my new baby. And yeah, you have a gantry crane, and it's set up so that you can go over the lathe with it, and it's going to let you get things like devices and stuff off of the mill too. And last but not least, this showed up in the mail today, UPS.
from China. It doesn't say it, but it is from China. And if you look here at what's on the label, maybe you can figure out what it is. So this is from Hubble Optics. It's a 20-inch f3.3 parabolic mirror, telescope mirror. Super light. I was really impressed at how lightweight this thing is.